So hello again classmates. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you're going to plot your AutoCAD project or drawing, something on your drawing went missing or not included or not plotted. I'm talking about the layers. So let me just show you what is the problem here. So this is my drawing, so I'm going to plot this one and then preview, click this preview. But the problem is my column layer is not included. As you can see here, it is not included to the drawing. So how to fix this one, that one? So just close first this one and then go back to your drawing. So this is my column here, and go to your layers. So this one, layer properties, and then go to your layer. So this is my column layer, and as I set the color into blue, and then expand this overflow, this one, and then go to this plot. So as you can see here, there's I think it's a stop sign. So in order to remove that one, just click this one once, just like that. So that is okay. So if you done that, and check if all layers is ready to plot, and then close this form, just like that, and then go back and plot it again. So let's see. And I'm going to preview again, and there, it's already included. The layer drawing is already included, or the column, I should say. So that's all for this video. So if you find this video helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.